looking for a Powerline Technician online test walkthrough, you're probably wondering what the exam really looks like and how to prepare without wasting time. Let's break it down step by step so you know exactly how to approach your journeyman-style exam with confidence. First, here's the big picture. Most Powerline Technician exams are built around real-world work. They're not testing obscure theory. They're testing whether you understand safety, procedures, tools, and job site decision-making. You'll usually see around 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions. You'll have several hours to complete the test, which means pacing matters just as much as knowledge. That's why online practice is so effective for this trade. Let's walk through how an online test typically works. You'll see a question followed by 4 answer options. Some questions are direct. Others describe a job scenario and ask what you should do next. You might see questions like identifying hazards, choosing the correct procedure, or reading basic diagrams. The first thing to focus on is safety. Powerline work is high risk, so safety questions carry serious weight. If an answer skips grounding, lockout, clearance, or proper PPE, it's usually wrong. Safe and methodical almost always beats fast and risky. Next comes tools and equipment. You don't need to memorize brand names. You need to know what tool is appropriate for the task and why. Think about what you actually use on the job and how it protects you and the system. Then there's procedures and workflow. Many questions follow a logical order. If an answer jumps ahead or ignores a required step, it's probably incorrect. The exam rewards people who understand sequence, not shortcuts. Math and measurements may also show up. These are usually practical, not advanced. Focus on basic calculations, clearances, distances, and load-related concepts. Practice helps because speed matters under exam pressure. Now let's talk strategy, because this is where people gain points. Start with the questions you feel confident about. Answer them and move on. If a question slows you down, flag it and come back later. This keeps your confidence high and your time under control. Here's something many people forget. You're allowed to think like a tradesperson, not a student. Ask yourself what you would actually do on a job site. The correct answer usually matches standard practice, safety rules, and common sense. If you haven't written an exam in years, feeling nervous is normal. If you're a mature learner or new to the US testing system, you're not alone. The Powerline Technician online test walkthrough process is as much about confidence as knowledge. This is where preparation tools really help. Practicing questions trains your brain to recognize patterns. Reviewing explanations helps you understand why an answer works, not just which option is right. If you want structured prep, JourneymanStudyGuide.com offers resources designed for this exact situation. Their Q&A books help you test yourself quickly. Their explanation-style resources break down the reasoning behind correct answers. And their online timed tests help you practice pacing in a realistic way. Nothing guarantees a pass, but organized preparation removes guesswork and reduces stress. Once you pass, the benefits go far beyond the exam. You open doors to better job mobility, you build credibility with employers and unions, and you gain confidence knowing you meet a recognized standard in the trade. So if your goal is to pass using a Powerline Technician online test walkthrough approach, keep it simple. Study consistently. Focus on safety and procedures. Practice under time. And use tools that match how the exam is written. JourneymanStudyGuide.com can help support that process. Stay focused, trust your experience, and you'll be ready when exam day arrives.